what property?
He doesn't love you. Aww. Damn it! Double tap. I like the little hearts around their eyes.
Sometimes Valentine's Day just sucks. And that's exactly what we're doing here today at Necropolis Underground Haunted Attraction up here in Indianapolis, Indiana. They opened up here in February for their special Valentine's Day event. And given the name Valentine's Day sucks, I'm gonna guess they've probably got some vampires in there. Let's go check it out. Yeah! Got Hype Man Eric with us today.
It smells like paintballs.
We're going down.
Going down to the underground.
Hi. Around? Well, I always go the wrong way. We gotta
She's
go
trying
the
to
wrong
skip
way.
the line.
I'm always lost.
Nora, you have to upgrade if you're going to skip the line.
Are you ready?
I think so.
Well, you die. Along.
Look at his teeth.
I am Smiley, the demon clown from hell, and I welcome you to Necropolis, my hometown. Right this way.
You will have a fun adventure. Oh. Oh, look at his flower. That is giant.
Valentine.
Oh, yeah. That's giant. It's beautiful. Oh, it smells like a...
You look like a blood type.
Oh,
What blood type are you?
I don't even know.
Try one more thing.
We'll go with blood type N.
I'll let chicken blood whatever.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Chicken blood, chicken blood.
Oh, God. He's gonna shoot him.
All right, folks, let's go see just how much Valentine's Day is gonna suck.
It better not suck me.
That don't sound right at all.
Vampires suck. Not. Yeah, you get it. You get it. Oh, I do smell a chainsaw. What? I'm not about that music. Oh, well.
Not so fast.
Oh, you have? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Uh-oh. Been waiting for you. Been waiting for both of
Chopping the
us.
top off, yeah.
I know, we're about the same height.
Little haircut here.
Don't be chopping me no more. I'm short enough.
She
No.
can't stand to be no shorter.
No. Okay, I'm going. Oh, quit it. It smells like chainsaw. Hello. Oh, no. Oh, key to my heart. Okay. All right. I'll leave it, man. He looks like he bites. Don't trust it. Don't trust the freaking bushes. That is a really cool, I love it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's go on a road trip. That looks ready right now. Oh, knock, knock. Get off my property! I like it.
But we just got here.
It's all spooky and shit. Oh,
Hello.
what the hell? Oh, where'd you come from?
He followed
The
us.
demons from hell.
My little demon trick. That is the supernatural.
He just
Oh.
pops up wherever he wants.
He's supernatural. Yeah, I like it. that noise he makes. Ugh. It is cool. Oh, screw it.
Uh-oh.
It's another vampire.
I don't think she likes us being in here.
We need some hurry water. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh, Lordy.
Shooting.
There's more of them. They're ganging up on us. He doesn't love you. Oh. Oh, my.
Going this way.
Uh-oh. Where's that coming from? Oh. Oh. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
More fangs. Uh-oh. They're gonna suck us.
You make my kneecaps itchy.
Oh.
What was it?
She said I make her eat kneecaps itchy.
That's not comfortable
Where?
at all.
All right, it's the closet. Oh, shit! I don't never know where they're gonna come from. Ah, see! Oh no! This room is awesome. Oh shit!
Can I have your hearts?
Oh no!
Oh, they smell so good. Please.
Are you gonna hang it in here?
You gonna hang it here?
Yes, in my toy collection. Oh, it's gonna be so good.
That would be such an honor.
I don't think you're okay. Ooh, the nasty. Ooh, what was that? Oh shit!
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
That was a really good one. There's usually somebody in there. Whoop. So you don't know which one they're coming out. Oh my God! See? Damn. Yes. Get those spots.
Get him.
Damn it! Double tap.
Double tap.
We love double taps. No one cares.
No one cares.
Oh. She doesn't care. You guys know all the spots.
Some very good.
Oh, I know. I hear. Oh! I don't see you.
Do you see me now?
Yes. I like the little hearts around their eyes.
Oh yes.
Uh-oh.
Swampy swamp.
Swamp. Where the bushmen are.
Be mine.
Or, no, that means we gotta die. We gotta be yours. No.
I'm lost.
I'm not telling you where to go. Oh, we gotta get away from that thing.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna be
We're gonna
out here in a minute. Ah! Shut up, you pants! You! Twice! Oh, is it? So is the dirt. Oh, yeah. It smells more like the rotting decay. Is that a person or is that a mannequin? Oh, son of a bitch! I thought it was Eric!
Have you nice folks ever heard of necrophilia?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you do that? Do you partake in this?
Maybe like one of your dead girls.
Oh my God. I love your hearts. Ooh, something's there.
Spiders.
Yeah, don't you say that.
Whoa.
God, the sneaky. I like the sounds.
My kind of corpse.
He's nice. I don't have to duck. I don't know what your problem is. See, like, oh. Uh-oh, that one has a weapon. She's got a bat.
He's got a bat.
Yeah.
Watch out for Grandpa, she said.
Grandpa?
Grandpa.
I hope you didn't get the bird flew from me.
Oh, no. That's not good.
That's awesome.
He doesn't look nice at all. Oh.
Going this way.
Remember the folded. Eric really went sideways on that one.
That was cool.
Yeah, that was fun. I don't know. You can't even predict it. Oh, he's got my soul, I'm pretty sure. He just took it. Oh. Yeah. Ooh, it's lighted in here. Uh-oh, yeah, is right. Where the hell did he go, that sneaky? Whoa. Oh, shit. I think he needs some glasses and some holy water. You stay over there.
I'm gonna shove your heart in your throat.
I'm using mine right now.
Bridge.
Thank you very much.
God, that was good.
Not you, buddy. How do you like it? How do you like it? I'm up for dinner.
No, I watch that one. Really gotta watch that one. He's so good at it. Good night. Oh my God, there's a new one. Oh, son of a bitch, he's gonna Oh God! Oh, good God! Oh, nope.
Yes!
No. He's got cookies. Oh, clicky. It's following us.
Very nice!
More dirt.
Oh my. He gone.
Where the hell did he go?
Uh-oh.
Red light district. For Valentine's Day. Yeah. Oh, they can come out of here. Oh, there's one in there. I don't think you're okay.
She's not very
I
happy
don't
at all.
trust any of these freaking Oh, shit. No.
My Valentine's here.
How can we say no to that?
I feel like the right answer is yes.
Oh, I think I hear something.
We got video of this.
Oh, I don't know.
There he goes!
He's gone. They have so much energy in here. Oh my God, this is working way better than like normal. I don't know why. Yeah, I love it. Oh, good. My nose slap. Oh, there's one up there. Holy shit. The infinite pit of doom.
Yes!
Oh, yeah. Fucking monster. I love that guy. Yeah. I'm like looking up now. Ah! Dang it. Stop cussing, Nora. Oh, the Book of Necromancy. Ooh, that thing.
It's probably not good to touch it.
Give me your heart.
Oh, no. Oh my God! That was amazing! It just had a baby! Yeah. He slid under his legs. He just like, oh! That was a good distraction. Oh my God, that's a new one! Oh, no! Oh my God!
Yes!
He sounds angry.
I'm gonna feed your heart to your children.
Oh, there's things in the dark! Oh, things in the dark.
Hey,
Good evening.
Welcome to Motel Hell. How many people are checking in tonight?
Yeah.
Hey, lovely. Follow me.
We're not checking out.
Not likely.
Well, if I get in the hotel.
oh, Clelly.
13, they're safe.
1-3. We like 1-3. Oh! Yeah. We need more things to protect us from that. I don't know. 1-3.
1-3!
Uh-oh. Oh.
I'm here. I'm stuck here.
Not here?
You can't find the door?
No,
Uh-oh.
I don't find the door.
Oh, that looks like a solid friend.
It is. It doesn't go nowhere.
Yeah.
No.
Solid.
Solid.
Solid concrete. And maybe is that the door? Maybe?
Is the door?
That's where I closed it. That's where my clothes go.
Oh, you blend in really well back here. I always get lost. Maybe we should not go in 13. Oh, I don't trust things I can't see. Oh. I tolerate you. I like that one. They told us it was ours. It's room 1-3.
So this is our room. We paid for it too.
Oh.
Oh.
I know, you can barely see her there. I barely saw her. She blended in like perfect there. Oh my God, you got a spare arm? Oh. Whoa, that guy does not look good at all. Pretty flower?
Prettier flower.
Aw.
A prettier
Aw.
flower.
Thank you. That hasn't wiped your butt, has it? Or not? Ooh, it like echoes in here. Oh my. What is that? What the? I think what? Over and over again? Yeah.
They're following us.
We keep trying our room, and every time it's more terrifying than the other. Oh, that's a creepy. Oh, don't touch the walls. Eric, don't touch the walls.
Shockers.
Yeah. Oh, if I get shocked, you guys are gonna know it. Oh, it's got real tight in here. Oh, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. Oh. Oh. Okay, I did not touch it. I successfully did not touch it. Oh, yeah?
Here in this next house. Demons.
Oh.
Well. Vampire.
Oh, shoot it.
Got Van Helsingers.
Uh-oh. He's a vampire hunter.
He is.
Quarantine area.
The vampire. Oh, the door opened by itself.
Oh,
I guess that means
shit.
go in. Crap. Demon! Oh, son of a bitch!
God!
Oh my! I think
he's
I'm just
on the
gonna stay
correct
out
medicine.
of the way.
I know, I'm using mine right now. I'm using it though.
Oh.
Are you back, Nora? It's okay, I missed you.
Yeah.
Oh, Tozam, yeah.
Favorite blood type, right?
Yeah.
One that's breathing.
Oh, I like that. But I'm trying not to get sucked today. Oh shit! What was that?
Keep following us.
Oh, there's one down there. Oh.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Inspiration, isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
And they call me insane.
No. Oh, good God. No. You sick of that, right? Oh, son of a... There's another one.
Oh God.
Wow.
By the way, be careful of the patients because you're crazy.
The patients are crazy?
You don't say. I don't know if that's a doctor. I mean, he's just as crazy as the patients.
Yes.
What is that? Oh, son of a bitch. What is that? No.
Sparkies.
What is this thing? No. I don't like sparks. What in the hell? Why would you do that? Look at all the papers, the medical files. Oh my God. Nice. Yeah, you just chill.
He needs more medicine.
He does. Oh, fuck. Spider.
Spideys.
Yeah. Oh, they're touching me. They're touching me. Yuck. Oh. Yeah. Leave the body. Demons.
I'm still hungry, Nora.
Oh, no.
I'm still hungry.
Demons, that way. They need eaten.
Go get 'em.
Yeah, the demons need eaten. Uh-oh.
There it is.
I know.
Yes.
No, I'm hungry.
She's
the
still
toe.
hungry.
The doctor. Woo! Oh, son of a bitch.
She's excited.
Oh, goodness.
Oh God.
Oh, there's too many of them. Too many. Oh, my goodness.
Oh God.
So many monsters. Oh,
Crazy. We love it.
I know. They're all wild. Oh. They're surrounding me. I need help. Guys. Hey, guys. They done surrounded me. Help! I think some of those are vampires that need hunted.
Oh, they tried to kill me.
They didn't
Doesn't work.
succeed.
It hurts. But it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
So after you get out of the haunts here at Necropolis, always make sure you come and check out their axe throwing. They've got a couple of pretty awesome escape rooms right here. We've tried both of them and they're both really good. They've also got like some VR rides over here where they actually move with the video. It's kind of cool. And of course they've got a merch shop over here and even some tarot reading that's pretty cool. Definitely come on out here to Necropolis, check out their off-season events. If you're not able to check out the off-season events, always make sure you come and see them during Halloween. I know we're going to be back this year. When you do, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. We're going to head on out to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.